Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today what we'll be doing is this swirly paint. So we got this little thing right here, and then we have these paint bottles, which we got at Scandia, and then we have 5 little cardboard pieces like this, so we can make our little paints on it. So yeah, and
this is how.
let's see if this works. Does it work? Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
So, let's see how to put it on. Okay, got it. So let's see if it, okay. So, it has this little thing right here so you could spin it. And then I'll spin. How do you do this?
You just could do this. Let's see your best to do here.
Or you do this. Okay. Yeah, this is how you do it. So you have to open it up. Okay, so do you want to spin it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Okay, so I'm gonna be switching color. So I'm gonna close this. Switch on to my green. Okay. Spin it. Spin. Spin. Oh, cool.
That's a little cool color. Now with our
red, and then I'll be done, and it'll be Jessica's turn. Spin. Spin. What the heck happened? Okay, so it's gonna have to dry a little. Oops, my hair got stuck in it. So this is what mine looks like.
I'm gonna dye my hair.
Oh, it's kind of dry.
Dye my
What are you doing? It's just wet. Okay. Okay, slowly take it off, Jessica. Okay, so this is mine, and it's really pretty. It's cool. Okay, your turn.
Let's start with
Hopefully
yellow.
this doesn't, wait. I'll be right back with a paper towel so we could put our finished creations on there. So I got 2 napkins, one for me and one for Jessica. So
Here is yours, Natalia, and I got paint on mine.
she meant Natalie. Okay. And then here, we're just gonna put it on that. Okay. One last thing. It's stuck.
That's mine.
Yeah, it's hers. Okay.
Paint on mine.
It's getting dry. But good thing we put it on a napkin. Okay, so, yeah, maybe. Okay, so, your turn. Do you want me to spin it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Tell me when to spin. Oops, sorry. Ready? Wait, tell me when to spin.
Spin.
Oh, cool. Looks like a spider web, kind of. I'm gonna keep this.
Me too.
What?
You're
You're like, me too. I'm like, what?
okay. Next to that.
Oops, sorry. Ready, set,
Spin.
go. It just went flying. Why does the red look like that? I'm not gonna use the red anymore.
Me either.
You should put somewhere yellow because see, it kind of messed it up.
Now I'm gonna go back to the yellow and then the blue.
Okay.
Okay. Spin.
Ready? Oh. Okay, now blue.
Can't call this.
Don't use too much because then it's gonna run out really quick. trying to.
We got the blue. I'm gonna have my
It's
nail.
on the me.
Spin.
Okay, so this is Jessica's creation. So it's pretty. My water bottle just fell out of nowhere. Okay, so. Okay. So. Now it's my turn to do it again.
It's the yours is over there.
I got a little paint of it. Okay. Oh, you spin. Let me open up my blue. Okay. Okay. Spin. Spin it. Wait, this purple.
Wait, let me spin and see how it turns.
Okay.
Cool.
Seriously. Spin it. Spin again. Okay, so let me go to the.
I might keep on spinning there until like it gets to a good. Okay, it's dry now. Oh, let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Wait. Okay, so
It
that's.
turned out green.
Let me use blue one more time. I closed it out. So, shoot, I dropped. Yay, it didn't spill. So Jessica's gonna do one more and then we're gonna stop because we got 5 and it won't be fair. So we're just gonna do 4. How do I close this? Can't close
The yellow one's hard. I totally.
And then, okay, ready? Ready, set, go. Me.
Let me just keep on spinning it.
Oh, stop it! That's cool.
Now that's cool.
So that's my creation right there.
Oh my gosh.
I wish mine could turn out like this.
You know, right? Oh my gosh. That paint on my skin again.
Deal with it.
Natalie.
Okay, so Jessica, your turn. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of blue. Jessica's turn and then we're done. We're just like little cupcake made out of green balloon bands.
Like these people, I'm just kidding.
Oh my gosh, it's like full of paint right here. See? Okay, wait, let me see it.
I'm just gonna use the red. Okay, ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. 1, 2, 3.
Oh! That looks cool.
Keep on spinning it.
Oh. Okay. Turns out kind of like whitish.
Alright. And go. This is good as well.
Wow. You should try it again.
I'm gonna try it again. It turned out to be really like good. Just a dot. That was just a dot right there.
Just spin. Ew. It's like all pinky right there. Wash it off, wash it off, wash it, wash it, wash it off.
Okay, now
Oh my gosh, look.
now I'm gonna use the blue.
Okay.
Looks weird though.
Oh shoot. Man, look at the paint in the sides. It's like a lot.
Don't spill some.
I know. I'm gonna have to wash this afterwards.
Hurry. Okay, I don't care about you. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm actually spending the night here.
This is your first time, right?
Yeah. Well, actually, like,
But not in this house.
well, it's my first time.
You should try to...
I didn't put any. Go.
Oh. Okay.
Your turn. Now that's one.
That's cool. So that's it for now, and let me move this out of the way so I can show you guys all of our creations. So it looks like this. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.